Good day everyone, I'm Hurley Borafy Reviews here, back at it again with my review for the Snowski Anywhere. This is a portable Bluetooth Bluetooth speaker. Okay. But before I proceed, I'd like to thank Snowski or Fio for sending this unit to me in an exchange for a very honest and transparent review. Rest assured that all of my reviews are honest and transparent to the core like I always do for the benefit of everybody, of course, including me. Since I won't be editing this very extensively, because this isn't really my forte and English isn't really my primary language. Okay. So most likely this will be a quick review of this of the Snowski Anywhere, because this is a very simple and straightforward Bluetooth speaker. This speaker retails for around 30 to 40 US dollars by the time that I record and publish this review. And it has a variety of colors as well. It has like a white color and a pink colorway as well. So but what I have here is the green colorway, which I really like. I do like green and blue colors. Okay. So as for the box is quite simple. It is very basic, but at the same time it is quite youthful, which speaks a lot to the theme of Snowski products. It caters more people that are in the younger side, but at the same time they don't limit their audience. It's just that that's how they design the Snowski brand. So there's that. Okay, so as for the accessories and inclusions, there aren't really a lot on this one, because uh, most Bluetooth speakers within this price point isn't doesn't really have the accessories that higher end speakers usually have. But if I were to nitpick, a pouch or a case for this one would be a nice treat for added protection. But at the same time, most Bluetooth speakers within this price do not really need extra protection because they already have one in their body, as you can see. Okay, so what you'll get on this one is a USB-C speaker for you to charge it, USB-C cable, sorry, for you to charge it, and a carabiner, so for you to clip it or hang it somewhere. Okay. Now, as for the sound, let's get to the sound first. The sound on this one is mild V-shaped. It is mild V-shaped because it isn't really bassy compared to the Bluetooth speakers that I have experienced and used here and there for the past years. So it is quite different on that one. Actually, it also has a mild emphasis on the female vocals. So it isn't really a bassy Bluetooth speaker, but at the same time, it is quite different on the sound itself compared to the other speakers within this price point, of course. Okay. Now, as for the build quality, as you can see, it is very rugged. It is durable. It is literally enclosed with rubber. Yeah, it is enclosed with rubber with some cloth mesh here, I believe. Yeah, and some tactile buttons here. So it is quite simple and intuitive, which also means that this doesn't have like extra features or such, but we'll talk about that later on. And it also has here a flap for the USB Type-C for added water resistance. Do take note that the Snowski Anywhere is IPX6, as far as I remember. It is IPX6 water resistant, so definitely you can take this to you on the shower, or probably on the side of the pool, or on the side of a sea, or because it can take literally some splashes or rainwater here and there. But please don't soak the Snowski Anywhere in water, because water resistant and waterproof is a different, or two different things. Okay. Now, as for the features, the features on this one is quite simple. It is very straightforward. It doesn't have any bells and whistles here and there. It just simply wants to connect and go. The only unique thing that I actually like on the Snowski Anywhere is this one. As you can see, it isn't really a lot. Like Horify, what is it? It's just like a metal base, but it is actually a magnetic base. So basically, you can like mount this Snowski Anywhere literally anywhere. You can mount this on a metal surface and it will still work, and it will cling to it. So it is a nice thing. Like for example, as you can see, it is magnetic. It is it is very magnetic, and the magnets are quite strong as well. So that's a good thing. Yep, as you can see, I'll try to pull this one. See, it is quite magnetic. It's a good thing. Yeah, the carabiner won't mount to this one sadly, but this one, yep, it mounts. So there's that. Okay, now as for the again, this doesn't have any like extra features, like for example, dedicated app, or what do you call this, a dedicated EQ. This doesn't have that. The only thing that it has are the features, like for example the magnetic base, the extra features of course, and the ability to connect to other Snowski Anywhere to perform a stereo type of sound. So there's that. Okay, if I were to nitpick on this one, the codec that the Snowski Anywhere has is only on SBC codec. Some people may find it a bit deal breaker, especially for those people that are looking for a, what do you call this, a Bluetooth speaker that has LDAC capability or aptX capability. But for most people like me who just wants to listen music literally anywhere, this isn't really a problem or a deal breaker. Okay, now as for the power consumption and the battery life, to be honest with you, I had a hard time draining the Snowski. Yes, the Snowski Anywhere for the past week. I usually use this for around 4 to 5 hours per week, and it is rated for around 21 hours of continuous usage, which really tells a lot. It really tells a lot that this is made to be long lasting in terms of battery consumption. Charging hour on this one is like 2 hours tops, but I have only charged this for around like 1 hour 40 minutes to get a full charge. Okay. Now, as for the, what do you call this, for the Tagalog version of this review, it's just a quick TLDR. I'll switch now to the Tagalog language. Okay. So, bali itong si Snowski Anywhere is a 1,500, 1,700 pesos na Bluetooth speaker na wala gaanong features pero mabilis siya kumonek kasi Bluetooth 5.6 na siya, and at the same time ayun, very straightforward lang. Meron siyang literal na magnet dito para pwede mo siyang idikit sa metal surfaces. IPX6 o IP6X, siguro IPX6 water resistant na rin siya, so walang problem kahit maulanan ka pa. And at the same time meron siyang carabiner, and at the same time ito meron din siyang what do you call this, charging cable. Pero if magninitpick ako, gusto ko sana meron tong case, pero yun, para sa akin lang naman yun. Okay, now as for the sound, yung sound niya is mild V-shape na may konting emphasis sa vocals. So ayun, hindi siya basic katulad ng mga speakers na nahanap mo sa price na to. Yung feature set niya, again, wala siya ganong feature set na extra, wala siyang app, wala siyang EQ. Literal na simple and straightforward lang, and Bluetooth 5.6 siya. Okay? Now, as for yung battery life niya, literal, inabot ako ng 1 linggo para lang maubos yung battery nitong Snowski Anywhere. Tapos yung charging time niya around 2 hours or 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay? Sige, switch na ako sa English review, for English language for the verdict. Okay. So, what's my verdict for the Snowski Anywhere? Well, the Snowski Anywhere is definitely one of the best choices that you can have if you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker under $50 as of now, because it is quite different, particularly in the sound department. The sound on this one isn't as bassy. It is more of a well-balanced type of sound, which I really like, especially if on this type of medium wherein this is a Bluetooth speaker. There isn't really a lot of Bluetooth speakers that maintains a balanced sound signature. Most of them are bass heavy, which I understand. But yeah, the Snowski Anywhere is quite different on that one. At the same time, it is very easy to use. I had no problems connecting with this one right away. It connects with ease. It connects in a snap. It literally connects like that fast. If I were to nitpick again, SBC codec may be a problem to some people, but not for me though. So there's that. Okay, and so far I had no problems with this one. If you're looking for a very simple and straightforward speaker, Bluetooth speaker to be exact, the Snowski Anywhere will be one of my top recommendations under $50. Okay, okay. And now that ends my review for the Snowski Anywhere. Again, I'd like to thank Snowski or Fio for sending this unit to me in an exchange for a very honest and transparent review. Rest assured that all of my reviews are honest and transparent to the core like I always do for the benefit of everybody, of course, including me. Okay? Now, as for the backlogs, I do have a lot of backlogs came into my desk lately, like for example the Testura Wood Note, the KZZ-A12, the Kiwi Ears Etude. I still have the IDs, MK12 Tourist. So there are still a lot of things to unpack and review. Okay, so thank you for pairing with me, and see you on the next one.